Hi mga ka-Dream Homes, samahan niyo ako today for an exclusive house tour dito sa isang pinaka-premium na subdivision sa Antipolo, ang Sun Valley Residential Estate. Kung naghahanap kayo ng bahay na tahimik ang paligid, presko ang hangin, at secure ang buong community, this one's for you. Let's go! At kung hindi niyo ako sasamahan, edi wow, joke lang! Tara na! Welcome to this beautiful 2-story residence sitting on a 424 square meter with lot area with a total floor area of 303.29 square meter. Papasok pa lang, you'll see the 2-car garage at the elegant facade ng bahay. Modern, clean, and timeless ang design. Perfect for families na gustong magkaroon ng space and privacy. At may space din para sa kotse ni crush just in case bumisita. Wishful thinking lang naman. May terrace at balcony din for your morning coffee or relaxing sunset moments. At ang surroundings, full of greens, tahimik at malapit lang sa nature. Parang love life natin. Malapit na pero di pa rin dumarating. Charot! Dito sa ground floor, you'll find a spacious living area. Very open ang layout, ideal for entertaining guests of bonding with family. Kasama na rin ang dining room at ang maliwalas na kitchen, modern finish with natural lighting. Tipid sa kuryente pero wag naman sa feelings. Bigay todo na yan. And yes, may guest room din sa baba. Perfect for elderly, family members or visitors. Plus, meron tayong maid's room with its own toilet and bath. Sana all may sariling space. Hindi tulad ng iba dyan, paasa. Akyat naman tayo sa second floor. Dito, you'll find a 3-spacious bedroom, including a master's bedroom with its own walk-in closet and ensuite toilet and bath. Sa master's bedroom, may access sa balcony. Ganda ng view, presko ang hangin, and flood-free ang area. Kahit umuulan ng feelings, safe ka pa rin dito. Meron din tayong family area upstairs. Pwedeng gawing study zone, movie nook, or additional lunch. Very convenient for a big family. O kahit para sa mga bisitang hindi mo inaasahan. Yung bigla na lang sumusulpot, parang problema. Now, let's talk about location. Sun Valley Estate is one of the top gated subdivision in Antipolo. Malapit lang sa Marcos Highway, SM Masinag, Robinsons, Antipolo, and about 30 to 40 minutes lang. Papuntang Ortigas, Katipunan, or Eastwood. Saktong layo para sa laging maaga sa date, fashionably late kumbaga. May access ka rin sa Sun Valley Golf and Country Club. Bonus for golf lovers, pero hindi sa feelings mo. Sa golf lang yan. Ang presyo, 29 million for this premium home in a secure, peaceful, and nature-rich village. Book a free site viewing now and let's make this dream home yours. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more house tour. I am your dream home buddy, Marvin Marquez. See you on our next tour. At sana next